Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Air Penny 2 by Nike in collaboration with American streetwear brand Stussy in the black colorway. These were released back in December 2022 here in the UK for £180. I picked up this pair from the Nike app because they had a few pairs that restocked for half the price at £90 in late November for Black Friday. These shoes come in a cream and orange box with Nike and Stussy branding. The shoes come in a blurry black and white grass print with the shoes wrapped in light grey paper. An extra set of black and white stripes laces were also included. Although I love the packaging, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. First introduced like myself, a 1996 baby, the Air Penny 2 made a bold statement with its unmissable design. It was the first of its lineage to combine Air Max and Zoom technology, providing cushioning and support. Stussy takes a similar approach to their Air Force One collab, a minimal monotone take which features an all-black weaved hemmed material with white Stussy branding. True fans of the model may also notice the omittance of the 1 cent logo or coin-shaped Nike branding at the side for a much more clean look. Details like the exposed carbon fiber midfoot stability plate and that thumbprint inspired mid and outsole still stamps the basketball legend and now coach Anthony Dion Penny Hardaway. On feet as stay true to size, its super soft upper and wide base makes these fine on and off the court. As usual, purchase links to my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment thumbprint to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? For me, I would always have a soft spot for these 90s, 2000 chunky sneakers. Whether it's Jordans, Pennies, Shaqs, especially when you have the opportunity to pick up a collaboration for half price, I couldn't resist. But let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.